How's it going, YouTube? Today we're taking the rear and front door panel off of a Toyota Rav4. Pretty simple door panel to take off. All you're going to need is a plastic pry tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. We're going to have two covers we have to take off first. There's going to be one behind the door handle. You're going to have this long plastic one right here. But first we'll go ahead and get the one behind the door handle. Just kind of stick, there's a little gap in between the lock and the cover itself, so kind of just stick your plastic pry tool in between there. You might create a little bit of room. Kind of like so. That's one of the Phillips heads. And then this piece is actually separate from the silver trim, but make sure you start at the top and just kind of find a little gap and just kind of work around the perimeter. Once again, try to use a plastic one and not a flat head, that way you're not damaging your trim. But you want to start up here, because once you get to the back side, which I'll show you here in a second, it actually slides in. So there's actually a little groove right here, so it slides back in once again whenever you go to replace it. So just make sure you start from up top and then slide back like that. That's going to show two more screws. We'll go ahead and take those out. Alright, now we have our three screws out, the one behind the door handle, one up top, one kind of in the middle. Now we can start at the bottom. Once again, grab your plastic pry tool, kind of make a little bit of room, kind of work around. And once you have all the clips popped, you kind of just wiggle it up. And actually the door handle didn't come out, but it usually kind of pops out every now and then. It's no biggie. And you're going to have one clip for the window switch, which I'll show you right now. Alright, I couldn't hold the camera and get the clip out at the same time, but all you're going to have is one little clip holding the door panel up in place. It's just a little push tab just for the window switch. And once again, the door handle, just that one screw holds it in, so it just kind of usually just slides right on out. But we got the rear door panel off, now we can move on to the front. Alright, now we're on the front door. There is one thing I forgot to show you on the back door, so I'll go ahead and show you now. This is pretty much the same process. Just get the cover behind the door handle, kind of make room if you have to. Once again, start at the top, kind of find the gap. Work your way around. Once again, slides out, kind of like so. Get our screws out of here. Alright, now that we have our covers off and our three screws out, once again, just kind of start at the bottom, kind of find the gap. Now we have all the clips out, just slide on up. Actually on this one you can see the door handle's trying to come out. That's what I was trying to show you guys on the back side. But actually I want to go ahead and show you this as well, what I missed on the rear door panel, which I want to show you guys. Alright, on the door handle, there's a little angled piece right here. Whenever you go to reinstall the door handle back into the panel, that piece actually kind of goes in right here. So let's see if I can't show you with one hand. So kind of slide it back in from the back side, kind of like so. Let's see if I'm getting a good angle on this. So door handle's off, as you see it, kind of slide it back in, and that piece kind of slides just like that. So whenever you're ready to put the door panel back on, just make sure that this little angled piece is back in the groove right here, and everything will line back up. And then same thing like the rear door panel, you're just going to have two clips that are just push button. But besides that, you should be good to go. So that's how you take off the rear door panel and the front door panel on a Toyota Rav4. Thanks for watching.